Imagine you've just won a significant amount of money online. You're excited, exhilarated, but also a little anxious about the withdrawal process. How long will it take for the funds to reach your bank account? We've all been there, haven't we? That waiting game can be nerve-wracking. Today, we're going to dive deep into the Paysafe withdrawal process. How long does it typically take for your funds to hit your bank account? Let's find out. Paysafe is a popular e-wallet service used by millions worldwide. It's a convenient way to make online payments, especially for gaming and gambling transactions. But when it comes to withdrawing funds, the speed can vary depending on several factors. Factors affecting withdrawal speed. Paysafe verification. The first step is to ensure your Paysafe account is fully verified. This involves providing proof of identity and address. A verified account generally speeds up the withdrawal process. Withdrawal method. The chosen withdrawal method can also influence the speed. Some methods, like bank transfers, might take longer than others. Bank processing times. Even after Paysafe releases the funds, your bank's processing time can play a role. Different banks have varying processing speeds. Paysafe system status. Occasionally, technical issues or system maintenance can temporarily delay withdrawals. Typical withdrawal time frames. Bank transfers. This is the most common withdrawal method. It typically takes 2 to 5 business days for the funds to reach your bank account. However, in some cases, it might take longer, especially if your bank is located in a different country or region. E-wallets. If you have an e-wallet like PayPal or Skrill linked to your Paysafe account, withdrawals can often be faster, usually within 24 hours. Prepaid cards. Withdrawals to prepaid cards can be relatively quick, but the exact time frame depends on the card issuer and the specific terms of your card. Tips for faster withdrawals. Verify your account. As mentioned earlier, a verified Paysafe account is essential for faster withdrawals. Choose a fast withdrawal method. Consider using e-wallets or prepaid cards if possible. Contact Paysafe support. If you encounter any delays or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Paysafe's customer support. Real-life examples. Case Study 1. John, a UK resident, recently withdrew funds from his Paysafe account to his bank. He received the money within 3 business days. Case Study 2. Maria, living in the U.S., used a prepaid card linked to her Paysafe account. The funds were available on the card within 24 hours. The withdrawal time from Paysafe to your bank account can vary depending on several factors, including verification status, withdrawal method, bank processing times, and Paysafe system status. While the typical time frame is between 2 and 5 business days, it's possible for withdrawals to be faster or slower in certain cases. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or experiences with Paysafe withdrawals, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time.